In this video, I'm going to teach you how to tell if someone's going to have a life-altering change, such as moving countries, retiring early, or even rebuilding their confidence. It's actually a very simple technique. Hey guys, welcome back to Chariot Palmistry, where we give you the tools to navigate your life. My name is Sulabh Jain, and in this video, we're going to have a look to see if someone goes through a major transformation in their lives. It's actually three very simple techniques. The first one is to have a look to see if there's a branch on the lifeline. You see, the lifeline is a semicircular line that comes in around your thumb. And when it splits in two, especially towards the end, that's a sign of someone who goes through either an early retirement or a change of country. And the reason this is important is because the retirement and the change of country is basically a hard reset that takes place on your life. It's a change in your lifestyle and your life circumstances. So normally people who have something like this, they've been planning and working towards like a financial end goal for a number of years. Then they finally achieve it. And that's what creates the transformation. But then there's another variation where if you have a look at someone's headline and you see that it splits into one or more different branches. When this happens, that's a sign of someone who also changes their country or their career. In either case, it's a major psychological change. I mean, unlike the lifeline split or the branch, that's a change of your living circumstances. This is a change of your mentality, even though externally it looks like you've just changed country, which is the same thing. This is a period of a big reset in your life. Now, sometimes when you get these branches in the headline, you'll notice that there's a section of the lifeline that's missing. And the reason for this is that change is going to be so dramatic that that portion of your future hasn't been written yet. When you get a little bit older, you'll notice the lines filling in this part of your lifeline. Then the last and most common symbol of personal change is rebuilding your confidence. Almost everybody has this. If you look at your heartline, you'll notice a branch at the very end, or at least 80% of people do. And when you get this, especially if you have islands at the start of your lifeline or at the start of your heartline, that's a sign of low confidence in childhood. But then, because of this branch, later on in life, you start to rebuild your confidence. You literally go through like an emotional reset in your life. And this, guys, is the very simple palmistry technique on how to tell if you go through a life-altering change. See, there's an inner life-altering change and a psychological life-altering change, as well as a change in your lifestyle as well. I'm going to leave you with that note. Thanks a lot.